Perched high on an ancient volcanic rock, Edinburgh Castle has watched over Scotland for more than 1,000 years. This fortress has been besieged more times than any other castle in Britain, standing at the heart of Scotland's wars, kings, and independence. Within these walls lie the honours of Scotland. The crown, sceptre, and sword, the oldest crown jewels in the British Isles. They were hidden for years to protect them from invasion, and rediscovered only when many believed they were lost forever. Edinburgh Castle was also home to the Stone of Destiny, the sacred stone upon which Scottish kings were crowned. Its removal by English forces became one of the greatest symbols of Scotland's long struggle for freedom. At the heart of the castle stands the Great Hall, built in 1511 for King James IV. Once the centre of royal feasts and parliament, its vast hammer-beam roof still echoes, with the voices of Scotland's nobles and warriors gathered beneath banners of power and loyalty. Beneath the castle lie the prison vaults, where captives from distant wars were held in darkness. French, American, and Irish prisoners once waited here, carving their names into stone, leaving silent marks of hope, fear, and live suspended between freedom and fate. But when night falls, Edinburgh Castle belongs to its legends. Many believe it is one of the most haunted places in Scotland. A headless drummer is said to appear before times of danger, his silent warning echoing through the stone. Stories also tell of a lost piper, sent underground to map hidden tunnels beneath the castle. His music faded, and he was never seen again. Some say the sound of pipes still drifts through the rock. Shadows move where no one walks, and the past refuses to sleep. Here, history does not end, it lingers.